Alright, so before I go crazy with the car and hitting like 9,000 RPM, I'm gonna change the oil. High mile 5W30, HKS filter, and crush washer. Alright guys, just got the oil change done. It was painless. I love these old cars. It's so easy to do everything on them. The great thing is it uses the same oil filter as the FK8 and the crush washer also. Now that I got the oil change, I'm going to check the other fluids and then I can go rip some VTEC pulls because I want to see how it does. The next mod I'll be doing is the exhaust, so that'll be later on this week. I think next week is when I'm going to start doing the wide body fitment. Thanks for watching.